everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I'm going to share some gorgeous cards with you. My friend Karen Barber was here last week before. Time flies. And she brought me some gorgeous cards and I'm going to share those with you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So one of the things I love about being a demonstrator is all the friendships I've made over the years, whether you're one of my downline, another demonstrator, a customer. I have just met so many people, and I'm just blessed to be able to do this for a living. And so I have known Karen forever, but this was the first time she's ever been to Arizona. So it was fun to have her here, and it was kind of fun to see her, see how Arizona is. Because if you are from the East Coast and then you come here, like when my BFF Tracy came from Pennsylvania the first time, she was in is it culture shock? I don't even know if that's the right word, just because of how different it is. Right? I mean, we're in the desert, and we have a lot of dirt where we live. So, but it was fun to share with her my studio, and then Jeff even took her for a drive. He loves to show off Arizona when anyone comes to visit. And so she enjoyed that as well. So Karen, if you're watching, hello. So we are excited because she's going to get her YouTube channel up and running. So I can't wait to see that when it happens. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share these beautiful cards with you. So this will be a quick video. I doubt very much if I will be doing my regular posting next week because I'll be in Canada. Now that doesn't mean I won't, maybe do some videos kind of, but it won't be like a scheduled thing maybe. So if you don't hear from me, that's where I'll be. But I will have my phone, I have my email. So if you need me, you can reach out to me. All right, so let me turn the camera for a second so I can show you these cards. All right, so hold on, close your eyes for a minute. Okay. So I'm just going to show you these cards. I don't think there's anything on the inside that any like personal, note or whatever. So I can show you the inside. But so amazing. I love these. I remember the first time I met Karen, I was so like not scared, but I was just like, oh my gosh, this is Karen Barber. Because we always say like we're kind of like, she's been a demonstrator longer than me, but we've been a demonstrator for a long time. Like we both last year did her, well, I did my million last year, and then she did hers about 6 months before I did. And so we always tease that we're kind of OG demonstrators, right? Like back in the days. But so I sure loved having her here. So this is such a pretty one, and this is simply, you do a circle, then you're gonna use your blending brushes and stamp in there, and then you take away the mask, and then you're left with this really cool, it looks like you're almost looking through like a peephole or something, right? And then the inside. And then this one, I believe she said this was one of the close to my heart dies. Now, keep in mind that on the 16th, the close to my heart stuff is 30% off. And I think it just starts on the 16th. So you're going to want to grab that stuff while it's available. And so just when you go to my blog over here, you can find my store. And then if you just search Close to My Heart or CTMH, it should come up with what's available. So I don't know if this will still be available or not because it's all while supplies last. But look how amazing that die is. So pretty. And then this set, I had to tease her because I love this image. This is the only image I like in that whole set. And I was just like, I can't get the set if it's just one image. Although the greetings are fun, but look how cute this card is. I just love it. And she has such a, like, I have so many cards of Karen's from over the years. There's just certain cards I keep forever, and I always hang on to hers. And it was so fun to have her here. All right. And then look at this amazing one. And she does a lot of black and white. And I can usually spot her cards because of that as well. And she likes to emboss. Look at all that shiny heat embossing. Even the bird is embossed. And she does a lot of the three little embellishments, because you can see on this card too. So, and I think these were from like one of her classes. And then look at this amazing one. So this is that beautiful ice skating one. I just love these colors. And then she put that wood grain back there. There, you can see it there, which kind of goes with the wood grain on the sleigh. And she even used the new embellishments right there. So pretty. And then here's some more black and white. And then this time she used the crumb cake. And look, there's the three little embellishments again. And I'm like thinking that's like white, that's white embossing powder. But you can almost get this same kind of look with bleach. So if you do, just practice on scrap paper before you do bleach, because some of the papers don't bleach white, right? Like you might do a paper and it'll bleach like a green, it just depends on how the paper is made. But look how beautiful that is. And then this is the last one. So look how fun this one is with the dolphins. And she even embossed the dolphins and the boat and even the greeting. And then there's the inside there. So fun. But look at these gorgeous cards. And then I gave her fall social stuff to take back home. So I gave her my samples from fall social. But I just wanted to share those with you. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So yeah. So I really appreciate you letting me take some time off. But like I said, I don't want to say I won't do a video, because, I'm going to be with my sister, and she's a big stamper. So we might be doing something, and I might go, hey, let's do a video. So who knows? But I just am looking forward to being with my family. So, all right. So I'm going to stop blabbing. I will see you when I see you. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye for now. Oh, and Karen, I love the cards, and I love you, and I can't wait to see you again. All right. Bye for now.